Welcome everyone to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Have you ever wondered what's so cool about manufacturing?
We're at High Concrete and we're going to explore different career paths in manufacturing.
One thing that's interesting here at High Concrete is we have a lot of our leadership within the manufacturing facilities are people that started as entry-level co-workers and worked their way into manufacturing supervision.
So my career started with on-the-job training as a drafter, and then I progressed into programming, and then that brought me to High Concrete, where I was doing the programming and took on responsibility as time went on to then become lead and supervisor of the whole mold shop and forming crew.
I'm a production worker, so I put all the hardware in the pieces, all the mesh and cables and steel and all that kind of stuff.
I'm the quality control inspector for the lab itself. It's an experiment every day. If the concrete tests good, it's good. There's times we have to fix it, and that's where the fun is. Because it's like you're figuring out a problem.
I'm Bill Caldwell, here at High Concrete Group. I'm currently a supervisor here at High. I have 17 years of experience here at High. I came in High with zero experience. I was actually a barber, and I got the opportunity to come in here and learn the trade of prefabricated concrete. Just goes to show that there's a lot of opportunity to move up within the ranks of High Concrete.
Manufacturing is so cool.
Manufacturing is awesome.
Manufacturing is so cool.
Manufacturing is so cool.
Manufacturing is a high, pretty good.
Manufacturing is so cool.
Manufacturing is so cool.
Manufacturing is so cool.
Manufacturing is so cool!